Today we are going to DIY a satin top right from the billionaire's closet, that is Kylie Jenner. I saw her wearing this top in this picture and I immediately fell in love with the top. And we all know that Kylie Jenner is a style icon and we all take inspiration from her fashion sense. So today we are going to DIY her beautiful satin top. Her top is originally in red color, but red color is not my kind of vibe, so I decided to go with pink. So I'm recreating this top in pink color. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello there. We DIY a lot of fashionable clothes, and if you are too a lover of DIYs, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an update. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly dive into the video and we'll see the procedure.
Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want, baby. Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want. Just give me what I want. Give me what I'm looking for.
For this project, we'll need about 2 to 3 meters of satin fabric. We'll start by folding the fabric widthwise. This is a double layered fabric. Here, from this folded side, mark half of your upper bust circumference and also add 3 inches extra. Here on this side, mark the length of your top. This is the desired length of the top you want. Now cut using those markings as a guide. Now unfold the fabric. As we cut the strip on a 2-layered fabric, we'll end up having 2 layers of fabric. Now place both the strips good side to good side and sew straight all along the edges, leaving a little opening to turn it to the right side. Now using that small opening, turn the strip to the right side. Also, don't forget to sew the opening. After that, fold the fabric in half, matching both the sides together. Mark a point at 5 inches from top and then sew straight, leaving an inch margin till there. Once we are done with sewing, we'll flip the margin like so. Now sew leaving 1/4 inch margin from middle. This is going to create casing for the cord which we'll insert later. Now prepare a thin fabric strap out of same fabric and then insert it here like so. Now comes the sleeves part. On a double folded fabric, mark the length of your sleeve. Then take the wrist circumference, add 2 inches extra for ease as well as for the seam allowance. Once the points are marked, we are going to join the 2 points using the freehand curve like so. Once it's done, we'll cut it out. Now we are going to fold 1/4 inch from the top part of the sleeve to make casing for elastic. And don't forget to hem the bottom part of the sleeve. Now we'll take elastic and insert on the top casing that we prepared earlier. So we are going to insert the elastic using our safety pin. Once our elastic is inserted, we are going to flip our sleeve to the wrong side and then we'll sew the side seams. Once we are done with the sewing part, turn it to the right side, and in the similar way we are going to prepare another sleeve also. If you want, you can attach the sleeve to the top using hand stitches, but I wanted to keep them detachable. So yeah, that is it. We are done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Kisses until next time. Bye bye sweet angels. Take care.